Hello and welcome to Beidat IT training. In this course, we'll cover about JavaScript. Now, JavaScript is another client-side web development. You have learned about HTML, you have learned about CSS, and now we'll go over about JavaScript. So there's client-side web development, and then there's server-side web development. So HTML, CSS, JavaScript are considered to be client-side, while PHP, Python, all those are considered to be server-side web development. Now, what gives the web development a functionality on the front end is JavaScript. Now, in this module, we'll learn about some of the IDEs that you can use. Basically, this is the environment where you are able to write code and execute. Some of the examples are Notepad++, JS Fiddle, CodePen, or Replit.com. This is an online one. Now, you can type your code and run it and see the output. Now, some of the output, you have to use what's called dev tools or development tools. Most of the browsers come with it by right-clicking. Now, let's just dive in on the first code so you have an idea. Now, if we run the script right here, and then for hello world, and then we'll demonstrate the output. So we'll go back to the original files that we have created for Beidat restaurant. Now, if you have seen the first two courses, we have been just updating this page. Now, if we write the first one and practice and see what comes out, so we'll do the same as a script. And then we close that code script. And I have shown you in the section we were covering about JavaScript. You have seen how the output will come up. So it's similar here. This is going to be an alert. So let's save this and go back to the browser and run it, refresh it basically. So if we refresh it, there you have a hello world. So that is the alert that it gives you. Now, the other option is to run what is called a console. And if I do the same thing here, write a script and close that code script. And now here, instead of alert, I will write console.log. And here, instead of saying hello world, let's say I write hello. So, and of course, you put it in quotation, you close the parentheses, and each statement, these lines that you see, each line is called a statement. So the statement with the JavaScript, you close it with a semicolon. Let's save this and go back and refresh it. Now, if I refresh, I will see the hello world here. But what happened to the hello console? Well, we are saying show that on the console. So if I right click, okay, on the browser, there is an option here. It's called inspect. So this is an example of a dev tool. So if I click on this, this gives me, as you see, the code that I have typed. But if I go to console right here, okay, this tab right here, it's hello console. All right, I can close this right here. The other option with the dev tools is view source. This gives you all the code that we have written. Whatever you see here gives you an idea what we have written. Okay, so that's an example of a console, and you see it through the dev tools. Thank you for watching, and that ends the first module in this JavaScript course. Thank you.